everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're noticing Windows Explorer is using a high amount of GPU or CPU usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend taking a look into is that you don't have a whole bunch of extra Windows Explorer windows open. So you might want to just close out of any open programs or applications and just try and get them down to only one or two active windows. You might want to use multiple tabs too in File Explorer as it uses less resources than opening up a whole new active window. So it's something I would take a look into. Something else we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this command prompt window, type in SFC, then a space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's finished, go ahead and restart your computer. So hopefully that was able to help resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.